Howdy there, ladies and gentlemen. This is the birds of Sacajawea Park, if you will, Livingston, Montana. You got geese and ducks, and mostly geese and ducks down here. Matter of fact, there's a little baby gosling right there, right in the middle of your screen. Yeah, they live here year-round. Can't hunt them. You come down here with a shotgun and start blasting at these, because this park is well in the city limits of Livingston, Montana. It's right on the edge of the Yellowstone River. I'll guarantee you the roller boys would be down here in less than 10 minutes. You're rear-ended, go to jail. Can't fire any firearms in the city limits of Livingston. BB guns or any of that. And there's that little gosling right there. Check him out. That's a little baby goose. Yeah, I'm just feeding him saltine crackers here. Here comes a duck right there. Come on, guy. See, what happens is them doggone geese will come and run them ducks off, and they don't get very much food. Mangy suckers. I know one thing, there sure is a lot of droppings around here, if you know what I mean, you know. Yeah, there we go. Bite. There we go. Well, that's about as close as a guy like me is ever going to get to a real live duck. But these are tame. They, like I say, they live here year-round. Hello, ma'am. How you doing? Good. Yeah, see, them geese, they like to rule here. You see what I mean? Look at this guy right here. There we go. Yeah. You always get the after pickings. Okay then. There's so many of them to pick from, I just don't know what to do here. Come here, guys. The problem is these doggone geese. Well, that's a magnificent shot right there. Check that out. Yeah, baby. Yeah, the geese, they like to run all the rest of the little wood ducks and green-headed mallards and all that stuff. There's a pretty one. Look at that guy right there. Isn't that something? I'm not even a bird lover, but that's a real pretty bird, wherever it is. I don't even know. I'm pretty well, it's a duck, but I'm not sure what kind. Yeah, I've been waiting all morning to get him to come into the frame. Come on, guys, come on. Come on, guys. I keep getting run off by the geese. Now, there's that crow right there. He's been sneaking in here, but he ain't gotten very much, let me tell you. These other big birds been running him off. But yeah, these are the birds, ladies and gentlemen, of Sacajawea Park, Livingston, Montana. Check that out right there. Isn't that something? Yeah, okay then. That's long enough for this file right here. Thank you very much for watching.